Okay, I got the Harvard letter now. It came in similar envelope to the Yale one. Instead of writing my name, they have a sticker for where my name and address are. So I wonder if this is like a general thing that just goes out to everyone. They just put the sticker on top. Alright, let's open it up. Looks like this is something I can just pry open. Hey! Dun dun dun! Welcome to the class of 2026 with the Harvard logo on it. Huh. That's
Is it a folder?
Interesting. Yeah, it's a folder. Huh. Nice. Ooh. So here's the letter. I'm gonna frame this. I can't show this on video because it has my address. I'll probably blur it out though. Harvard stickers. What? They sent a certificate? What? They sent a certificate for just being admitted? Wait, where's my certificate for Yale? Huh? What? This is crazy. What the? Okay, I guess I can frame this now. What the? It's so crazy that Harvard is
so it means you don't have to go, just keep the certificate.
Yeah, it's so crazy that Harvard is that prestigious that you can just get a certificate for being admitted. It's really cool. I still can't believe that I got in. Like, oh my god. That is bonkers. And then over here they have Welcome to Harvard. Let's see here. My first year. P-sets. Annenberg. I need to do a lot more research on Harvard. I wonder just like what I could do there. And this is financially? Visitas, a Veritafel, a waffle with Harvard shield and motto of Veritas, meaning truth, which is served every week in the first dining hall.
So there's info about Visitas.
Wait.
April 24th to 25th.
Now that I think about it, maybe my essay did get me into Harvard. I answered their truth one about being honest. Wait, actually though? This is so crazy. This by itself is what the heck?
Show it here.
Oh my god.